Those that know and don't follow me on Instagram, I bought a 2016 R1S. It did run beginning of this year in February. Even though the bike doesn't start after buying it, I got it for a really good deal. So I really can't be too mad that it won't start. I just got to put some work into it and then hopefully we can get it started. So to chase the no start issue, I was recommended that I should check compression and possibly the valves. So in this episode, I'm gonna break down the bike to the injectors pretty much so I can get access to the spark plug wells. That way I could complete the compression test and see what my readings are. So here's that video right now of me pretty much stripping it down to the injectors and getting the plugs out and everything. Right now, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is start removing spark plugs. I had already started doing that right here. So I'm gonna get that going and not bore you guys with that. This spark plug is usually the hardest one right here. Number 4 right here, because it's set in the corner. So it's super tight spot right there. So I'm gonna get that out. I got pretty big hands, so like I'm blessed that my hand could actually fit in here, or else we'll have some trouble. Sit that in there. I gotta regrade it a little bit. These things so magnetic. I'm trying to get the top of the sprocket out, or the socket. There you go. Smells like gas. This is the first episode of this whole build series, but I got a lot coming up for the channel. I hope you guys stay tuned for that. But that's it for this one, and I'm gonna catch you next time. And as always, you can't buy talent.